Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. So if you're still pasting the same act as an SEO expert prompt every morning, in this year we can instead use gems. So these are custom persistent versions of Gemini that you train once to handle specific tasks like coding, meal planning, or editing. So first, just head to gemini.google.com, and if you have it, click on the gem manager. So I'm just going to click here. And let me see if I even have them. Okay, so we have this personalization. Let's try it. Okay, and we can just open up this panel. And as you can see here, we have gems. So click on here. And now we have here our gem manager where we can discuss this. So pro tip, guys, don't write long instructions yet. You can just type, for example, help me write snappy YouTube scripts for my tech channel and just hit the sparkle icon. And Gemini will instantly expand that into a full professional persona with rules for tone, length, and formatting. Then you just review it and hit save. So for example, you can go new gem, and now as you can see, we have some of the details that we have to fill in. So the name for the gem, description of what it does, instructions of what it should do, which default tool it's using, right? So the style, it's image canvas, deep search, whatever you wish. And also the knowledge. You can add the fields for your gem to reference, right? So you can also upload files, etc., etc. And then you just create one. So pretty simple, guys. And also don't forget that under the instructions, just add files. You can do that and upload up to 10 PDFs or link your Google Drive as well. Pretty handy, pretty nice. So your custom AI team is officially live after this, guys. If this gems guide helped you reclaim your time today, smash the like button and subscribe for more.